In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream on TikTok with OBS Studio. Yes, this actually works. First, make sure your TikTok account is eligible for going live and has access to the option that lets you stream from a computer. Open the TikTok app, tap the plus button, swipe over to live, and look for a button labeled Connect to PC or Transfer to PC Mac. If you see it, tap it to continue. If it's not there, your account may not meet TikTok's live requirements yet, so check back later or review their eligibility guidelines in the app. On the setup screen, TikTok will display a stream URL and a stream key. Copy both. Treat the key like a password, don't share it. And remember, you'll get a new key for every session, so plan to repeat this part next time you go live. Now switch to OBS Studio. Open OBS, then head to Settings. In the Stream tab, set Service to Custom Streaming Server. Paste the stream URL from TikTok into the server field and paste your stream key into the stream key field. Double check for extra spaces and click Apply. This connects OBS directly to TikTok's live producer. Next, go to the Video tab in Settings. Set your base or canvas resolution to 1080 by 1920 so your canvas is vertical in the 9:16 format TikTok expects. Then set the output or scaled resolution to match the quality you want to send. Keeping it the same as your canvas is a great default, though you can choose 720 by 1280 if your connection is limited. Set common FPS values to 25 or 30. 30 looks a bit smoother, while 25 can be slightly lighter on bandwidth. Click OK to save. Back in the main OBS window, build your scene, add your camera and microphone, and any game capture images or overlays you want. Arrange and resize your sources to fit the vertical frame cleanly. Use the audio mixer to balance levels so your voice is clear and not peaking. Locking sources after positioning helps prevent accidental moves. When everything looks and sounds right, click Start Streaming in OBS. Give it a moment. In your browser, on the TikTok Live Producer page, you should see a preview of your feed. When you're ready for viewers, click Go Live there to publish. You're now live on TikTok. Keep an eye on chat in the Live Producer chat doc, or if you prefer to see it inside OBS, add a custom browser doc pointing to your chat so you can monitor everything from one screen. Enjoy your stream.